Hey there, my name is Bree if we have not met yet, and today I am going to dive into Flodesk and give you a behind the scenes look at what all the capabilities are so you can determine if Flodesk is the right email service provider for you. We have a link that you can save 50% off either your subscription or if you choose to go an annual route. So be sure to grab that link if you do decide that Flodesk is right for you. I have got a brand new account that I have had access to be able to show you exactly what it's going to look like as soon as you sign in. So let's dive in. Okay, so you're just going to log in, and as soon as you're there, this is what you're going to see. I've got like one little thing popped up over here that I added as a draft, this email draft. But otherwise, this won't be here, and you will just have this blank slate ready to go for you. So it is super easy to get started. So just hanging out in the email section here, which is where we're at, you will just create new. What we love so much about Flodesk is that there are all of these gorgeous email templates ready to go for you. Not only ready to go for you, but they also give you content to start with. So it's really great if you're needing some inspiration to figure out what to send to your audience. There's content built in already that you can just tweak and make your own. So that's a lot of fun. And then over here on the left, there's all different types that you can just search for. So if you need a welcome email, if you need a thank you email, you can start from scratch, whatever it may be, there's an option for you. So I'm going to click on this one. It is titled Favorite Things Roundup. So you just click View Details, and it'll let you scroll through and see the full thing. Really pretty, right? Like that's what we just cannot get over is how gorgeous Flodesk emails are. And not only are they gorgeous, but we have not heard ourselves. We have not personally dealt with, nor have we heard from anybody else that has dealt with any email open rate issues. If anything, we've heard positive reviews about email open rates increasing whenever they did switch over to Flodesk. And that's with having gorgeous imagery in it. So you don't have to have just a text-based email to send to your audience. You can add gorgeous imagery in and they will still get it. Over here on the left, it'll also let you see what it looks like on mobile, which is really fun. So you can test it out before you jump into it. Now, once you do decide on a template that you want, or if you want to do your own and create your own, it's all super, super easy. So you just click the template or start from scratch. And then all it is are these awesome little drag and drop buckets. Okay, so obviously this was a template that I clicked on. So it's got everything kind of in here ready to go. If I want to adjust anything, all you have to do is click. It'll pop up over on the right hand and give you this cute little sidebar where you can change your fonts, change the colors, alignment, layout right here. That tab will give you different options. So if you don't like this square, you can change it out with just a click of a button. There's seriously so many fun options that you can spend a lot of time here. You can change all of the colors and everything. Everything is literally, they made this very simple and very visual to change things out. So you can click on anything like this that has a little image icon there and upload your own images, change your colors. The sky is the limit on colors. So if you click, you'll see this really fun color bar that you can grab there. You can also add your own brand colors, which is what I highly recommend, and I'll show you that in a second. But I just wanted to first give you a peek at what the inside would look like. I do want to go back real quick though and choose a different template to show you. So if we were to start from scratch, what that would entail. So let's just call this test. and open a new one up. And so this is what it looks like when it's just blank. So you can definitely just quickly send out a text-based email, just add your logo real quick and you're done. Or we can have fun and add some extra elements. So if I click the plus button right here, it will give me all of these different ideas on things to add. So if I wanted to add space, if I wanted to add an Instagram feed or Instagram photo, layouts, logo, video. So let's click on Instagram because I know that one caught your eye. All you have to do is click there and then it will want you to connect your account to Instagram. So you can manage your account over here on the right, and then you can change settings for the block if you want to. So right now it's just got it a 3x. You can change it so there's more columns or less columns. So you could do 4 if you wanted to. You could just do 3 and then add more images. So let's say we want to do 6. You can change the ratio if you want to. You can add more or less space in between the images. Really cool that they link to Instagram. Okay, so let's say that we want that one there, and then let's add something above it. So we've already got a logo. We've already got Instagram. Let's click on layouts. This is what I showed you just a little bit ago. And it gives you all of these different ideas. So if you have a blog post that you want people to read about, this is a really cute one. Just add an image from your post, title, done. You can see in the sidebar over here all of the cute different layout options that you've got. And then if you decide, okay, I don't want this Instagram one anymore, or maybe you want to drag it below, you literally just click and drag. So maybe let's put it all the way down at the bottom. And then we can add, this looks a little bit cramped here, so we could add some space. And then maybe below it, we want to do another layout or a video. You can click video and then just put the URL right here and it'll pop up. Super, super easy to customize. So I want to give you just a quick overview. So let's jump back over into everything else. So your audience is where you can add your subscribers and you can do segments. If you're using another email platform already, all you have to do is just download a CSV file and upload it here. You can make forms to get people to sign up for your email list that you can embed on your website, or that you can have just go to a landing page. So I love, as you can see, I added a couple of ones in here to just give you an idea real quick. So this is an inline one. So I would just add this copy into our website. This one over here on the right. This one on the left is a landing page. So if I click edit, this is what it's going to look like on desktop. And you can do a mobile preview as well. As you can see, like everything, it's truly beautiful. The design is phenomenal, and it always looks good on any platform that you choose. All right, if we go back real quick, we can also check out workflows, which are like, these are, if you have never used a workflow before, this is going to be a series of emails that gets delivered to your audience whenever they sign up for a particular form, particular email list, and is sent out according to your schedule. So if you want one sent out every single day, like an email welcome sequence, you can do that here. The other thing I really quickly want to show you is just where you can do some branding. So if you click on your little, if you add a picture to your account, it would be over here on the right. So for your account, and then go to brand preferences, this is where you can add everything to make it all even quicker for you. So you can upload your logo, so it's always there. You can add your company name, website, address, social media links, so it's automatically there and ready to run. You can connect your Instagram here, and you can add your brand colors, which is so awesome. So you can add your brand colors here, and then whenever you saw me click on the colors, they'll pop up there at the bottom, so they're just ready to go. So those are some of my favorite things about Flodesk. Wanted to just give you a quick overview. Again, 50% off code using our link gives you 50% off every single month that you're subscribed. Otherwise, you can do an annual plan and pay up front and get 50% off that as well. Let me know what other questions you have about Flodesk, what you want me to dive into even more, and I will film that video for you next.